Hi everyone, so my name is Twinkle and this is actually my first video on YouTube. This channel will be dedicated to Amazon FBA content. I basically want to use this channel to document my Amazon FBA journey and show you guys what mistakes I've made and how you can avoid those mistakes so that you can effectively sell on Amazon. Basically learn and grow from one another and share my knowledge so that you guys can sell effectively on Amazon again. Yeah, so let's get started with this video. Also, if this is content you'd be interested in, then please subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. I will be putting out videos weekly on Amazon FBA, and I'm excited to, connect with you all. Alright, so let's talk about Amazon FBA. Alright, so FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and as you can hear in the saying in itself, it's literally a fulfillment service by Amazon for its sellers. So basically what Amazon does is that it ships and packages items directly to your customers. So this is an amazing service for business owners because they don't have to spend the time shipping and packing the items, when in reality Amazon does that service for them, but it comes with the cost of a fee, of course. Also keep in mind that Amazon does also customer service in regards to your products. So it's an amazing service that really benefits business owners. So the two fees that Amazon charges are referral fee and FBA fees. Basically, the referral fee is a fee that Amazon charges you for using their platform. So because basically Amazon facilitates the relationship between the buyer and the seller. So Amazon just charges a fee in regards to that. And then FBA fees are basically fees for storing your items in their warehouse, and also for, it's dependent on how much space your items take in the warehouse. So the fee for that ranges, currently Amazon is charging me a fee of $5.98 for my first product, and for my second product they're charging me a fee about $10. But honestly, I think it's worth it, guys. You just want to make sure you price appropriately on Amazon. That way you're still, profiting. Ideally, you want to price your product between $15 to $40 if you do get started on Amazon. That way, after that Amazon FBA fees, you're still profiting about $10 to $12 at least. So yeah, that's what Amazon FBA is. Let's talk about how you can get started on Amazon FBA. So basically, if you want to get started on Amazon FBA, please keep in mind this is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes a lot of time and patience to see results on Amazon. There are some people who have absolutely crushed it or killed it on Amazon by first time selling a product, but that's because they had a lot of background knowledge and took a course and just happened to choose a really good product to sell on Amazon. The process of selling on Amazon, is I would describe it, is keywords, optimizing, and your listing. The reason why I say listing is because your listing will make the difference in converting your customers. Basically, you want to have conversions, and if you have a great listing, your listing would impact your conversions. In order to have a great listing, you must have a great description, great bullet points, and great images. You want to stand out from your other competitors, and so the way you stand out from other competitors is differentiating your product. A lot of people assume, let's take a category, for example. Let's take the cell phone case category. Cell phone cases are selling like hotcakes on Amazon, no doubt. But the thing is, a lot of people think, hey, since cell phone cases are selling so well on Amazon, let me source this product with Supplier. Let me also sell cell phone cases on Amazon, and I'll get a piece of my pie of profit on Amazon. It doesn't work that way, guys, and that is the number one mistake that people always think, and that's actually the mindset that I had too before I learned all about Amazon FBA. You won't be able to make a profit in selling phone cases on Amazon now because it is a very competitive category or niche on Amazon. And ideally, when you're selling your first product on Amazon, you want to go into something that is very low in competition but is high in demand. So there are actually software tools that help in regards to searching your first product on Amazon and finding the right keywords to attracting customers onto your Amazon listing. These tools include Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. I personally use Helium 10. I know a lot of people also use Jungle Scout. It really comes down to your preference, but I prefer Helium 10 because there's just a multiple number of tools on Helium 10 that are really beneficial to me as a seller on Amazon. But yeah, so how you would go about Amazon is first you would want to first do product research. Like I said before, you want to find a product that is high in demand but very low competition. You also, when selling on Amazon, you have to think about it from a customer's point of view. Why would I want to choose your product? You would want to choose your product if you're differentiated and you have more value in your product. I could talk more about product research in another video, but that's how you go about product research. And like I said, you can use tools, software tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout to help you with finding the right product. Alright, after finding your product, you would probably want to source out a supplier. A lot of people tend to use Alibaba in regards to finding a supplier. The thing is, when you're finding a supplier on Alibaba, you want to make sure they're verified and they do trade assurance. Trade assurance will basically protect your orders on Alibaba just in case if something goes wrong. You also want to make sure that you're working with a supplier that does quality products. So that's why you would do sample orders in regards to, before you do a bulk order, you want to do a sample order of like what your product is going to, look like, and what essentially it's gonna be what the customer receives. So, you have to talk to many suppliers and find the right supplier in regards to your product. After that, you want to private label your product. A lot of people, when selling on Amazon, they private label their product. So meaning you find a product, once you find that product with a supplier, you're going to put your own brand on that product. That's essentially what private labeling is. You get a product, you put your own brand name on that, and then you sell it on Amazon. That's basically what I would say about 60% of sellers on Amazon are currently doing. They are private labeling their product, and it works. That business model works because a lot of people are buying third-party sellers on Amazon. So yeah, that's basically how Amazon FBA works. Obviously, there's a lot more details to it, but this is kind of more of a gist as to what Amazon FBA is like and how you can go about the process. If you want to see more related videos to this, or you want to hear more about a certain topic, I'm more than happy to go more in depth about it. But yeah, this is what Amazon FBA is about and how you can essentially get started. There's a lot of information on YouTube, and there will be another YouTuber who will talk more in depth about Amazon FBA and basically guide you throughout this FBA process. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you can give a thumbs up or comment as if you're interested in doing Amazon FBA, you're thinking about it, or you're currently a seller. That'd be awesome, and where you're from. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.